Hi everyone, my name is Talia Carvajal and today I will be talking about solutions to the negative impact. According to the United States Environment Protection Agency, approximately 4.5% of 4 million tons of air waste sent to municipal landfills is comprised of textiles. Access to inexpensive chlorine in fabrics has led to significant growth for the need to efficiently recycle excess inventory. Textile recycling continues to grow as this valuable asset has become a world commodity. The majority of textiles and clothing waste is originated from household sources and become known as post-consumer waste. Benefit of recycled textiles and clothing. 99% of used textiles are recyclable. Textile and clothing recycling can give old clothes, linens, and other textiles a second life. That not only reduces the amount of waste going into landfills, it also provides some much needed assistance to third world nations. Almost that almost half of our post-consumer textiles waste that is recovered recyclable to be used as second-hand clothing, which is often sold to third world nations. Thanks to the industry, some of the poorest nations in the world are able to dress their residents. Other benefits of recycling clothing and textiles. Recycling of textile and clothing can give old clothes, bedding, and other textiles a second life. Reduce the need for landfill space, reduce pressure on virgin resources, recovery of textile fire avoid many of the polluting and energy, and this also encourage the development of additional markets. Water and air pollution. In most countries where chlorine is produced, untreated toxic wastewater from textile factories is discharged directly into rivers. Wasted water contains toxic substances such as lead, mercury, and arsenic. These are extremely harmful to aquatic life and the health of the millions of people who live on the banks of these rivers. Pollution also reaches the sea and eventually spreads around the world. Another major source of water pollution is the use of fertilizers for corn production, which heavily pollutes runoff water and evaporation waters. What can we do to be able to solve this problem? Shows chlorine made in countries with stricter environment regulation for factories, Canada and US. Choose organic fibers and natural fibers that do not require the production of chemicals. New solution for the fashion industry sustainability problem. Microbes that eat polyester. Now the most common material used to make clothes and made from petroleum as a raw material is hard to recycle without losing quality, but a new type of microbe can eat an old shell and break the polymer down into a basic raw material that can be sold back to polyester manufacturers. The result is cheaper than making new fabrics. Recycling food waste into yarn. One startup has developed a process that turns citrus byproducts into raw material that can be spun into yarn. With a working prototype, the team is ready to start testing the process in other orange-growing regions around the world, turning cotton into new clothes. Cotton is difficult to recycle, but this is a new process uses as an environmentally friendly solvent to dissolve all chlorine into a chlorine-like material that can be spun into new fibers, eliminating both waste and the problem that comes with growing new cotton. This is the bibliography. Thank you for your time. I hope you like my presentation. If you have any question, you can let me know.